All right, how's it going, everybody? Who am I here with today?
Robert Goddardson.
Robert Goddardson, do you want to give a little background on who you are and how long you've been in the insurance space for?
Yes, I'm was originally born in Michigan, went DOD, ended up in the military or working for the Department of Defense for a long time as an operations manager. Married my boss's secretary, and once that happened, her family was from around here in California, so I stayed here. When she passed away, I was looking for a way to help my community and help people in my situation because I lost 42% of our life savings in 2008. So I wanted to learn how to protect everybody's money. So I got involved with a company back about almost about 8 years ago now, and I've now changed companies to a new company, and I'm loving it. I get to help people every day.
That's awesome. Thank you for sharing that. How many years now have you specialized in like annuities and retirement planning?
Probably about four.
About 4 years now.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, cool, man. Well, I wanted to get you on this YouTube interview because you're a client that I have really noticed in the program that's generating great results. And I do have predictions that you're going to be doing much, much better as well in terms of just like your
Mhm.
mindset. When I bring on clients to Divine Reach, that's something that I take really keen notice of is my clients' behaviors, their patterns, and then when I get on Zoom calls, I really do study the way you operate. So you're somebody I'm impressed by. I kind of want to unpack that for the quick interview today. Do you mind kind of giving us a breakdown and the people watching this a breakdown of exactly how you were generating annuity clients before you started using the program?
Well, mostly through referrals and just meeting people wherever I went to business luncheons or gatherings and stuff. I'd start talking to people, meet them, get to know them for a while, and then it was all through referrals. For a while, I was doing really good business with a lot of the retirees in my area, my community. They passed my name around, but after a while, that slowed down, and it got to be almost overwhelming because you're constantly looking and looking and looking. And now that I'm getting leads, where they actually come to me, it's made my life much more simple.
That's incredible. Did you do leads before this for like any other type of product before? Or is this your first time taking leads?
I dabbled in some leads for IULs, annuities, and stuff, but nothing. I just sort of dabbled in that, shared it with one of my partners, and didn't really do that much. And but this is my first time really using this for 100% of my lead generation. So.
Awesome. And so far, I mean, what's been the results? Do you want to kind of share like payouts already and then what you have in pending pipeline right now?
Sure. About since I would say mid-December, about $30,000 actually paid in commission, and I have another probably about 1.4 million in the pipeline. Half of that is in the second appointment stage where we're adjusting their plan and everything to discuss whether or not they want to move forward. The other two were first appointments, and they're taking a look at the information I gave them, and we'll go from there. But yeah, it could be a very nice, I would say 4 week process is probably on those two. So.
That's humongous, man. And as
Mhm.
you started taking the leads, one thing that I notice is that you're very, very good at getting responses, building connections with these people, moving them in your sales pipeline, moving them further down your sales pipeline. Can we unpack that for a second? What does your day to day look like taking this lead volume? Because sometimes I won't hear from you for like a week or two, and then you just come back and you're like, oh, I got this win, I got this win. So kind of unpack what your day to day looks like with the leads and what your mindset looks like when you approach it in the morning.
Okay. Normally I have a very, very efficient, operations person that helps me with a lot of my calendar, the appointments and paperwork and a lot of other things. Otherwise, I probably would have trouble keeping up with everything. But I live by my calendar. My calendar is my boss. So if I schedule it in during the daytime where I have 2 hours of phone calls, an hour of doing an appointment, have a recruiting appointment or two, have an annuity appointment, as I schedule all that in right on my calendar, I let my calendar be my boss, and it's the only way that I can stay organized and keep ahead of all that. But
Sure.
yes, I have had quite a few leads, following up with them, and it slowed down a little bit due to my when I asked you to adjust my pixel and change my ads and everything because I was, wanted a different level of clientele. Then, since that time slowed down a teeny bit, but it's picking back up again, which was, it's going to be very, very good for me and obviously the people that I'm helping.
Incredible. The last time I checked, you were paying a little bit less than $100 for somebody that has over $250,000, which is insane because if you get just one of them to close, I mean, it's going to really become profitable for you, as you know, right? And
Yeah.
then all the other leads, that doesn't include people with 500K to 750K and then over 1 million. So
Yes.
one person that you land with over 1 million will put you in extremely good standing, and that's very exciting to know that you're paying very, very cheap for a payout that can be so massive.
Yeah.
Really, really huge, man. I'm really excited to see where you're going to take this. So
Yeah,
at what
thank
point?
you. I will tell you that with what I have in the pipeline, if the other two hit there, then yeah, it's the price per what I'm getting for leads and everything is going to go way down because you start hitting, one after the other. It's all, profit and I might even increase my ads. No.
I would really advise you do that at one point. As soon as you liquidate, like it's a no-brainer, and then, people in your organization that are beneath you or that you're leading, your downline, right? That's now a brand that says, hey, you joined Robert Goddardson, you have high-ticket annuity leads on demand. You can close some of them and then you generate the override, which I mean that's your own lead system doing that. So
Yeah.
that's what will happen, once you increase your ad spend budget eventually and, start to have a really, really great agency and you give people a great experience.
Yeah, I actually just recruited two more people that are attracted to because I told them I specialize in annuities,
Mhm.
and my goal is to have 10 people doing annuities earning about $1 million a year on my team, and then help them build a team with 10 people earning $1 million on their team. And that way we can keep it specialized and, duplicate the system and scale.
100%. So walk me back. I mean, what made you finally pull the trigger on this? What made you say, hey, I need to get a marketing system? Like, what was that ticker moment for you?
The ticker moment was I've heard all the time during my years. I keep hearing people say you have to make a decision. You have to make a decision, and they talked about the focus. And I was focused on helping people. My heart's in the right place. I always love helping people and doing what's right for everybody. But I always was focused all over the place. So in other words, I was trying to do whole life, IULs, regular insurance, mortgage insurance, helping businesses, helping real estate owners. And I started looking at all those things and I thought, I'm so scattered all over the place. I'm not focusing in on what I should be, just the one thing I really want to do, help people stay out of my situation of losing all my retirement money right before we were going to early retire. And so that's what sort of brought me in focus is I thought I need to go one specific direction. And then I had heard actually from a couple other people that were, doing business with you. And I saw the success they were having and I kept bugging them. Hey, hey, give me his number, give me his name, so, let me know what's going on because I'm interested. That's
100%.
how it came about. So
That's awesome. That's good, man. How do you feel like this system is going to continuously impact your business going forward? I mean, what is your vision with this system now that you've consistently closed? What do you project yourself doing this year?
well, when I first started, I thought 250,000, 300,000. But now that I've already started, having all this in the pipeline and just beginning the year, I'm really looking at 500 to 750K this year at a minimum. I'd love to hit 1 million, and that's my goal.
Yeah, I think it's definitely possible, especially like just repeating exactly what you're doing,
Yeah,
and then eventually increasing your advertising budget as soon as you close another one in the pipeline. You become super green on this, which you already are. I just think that's exactly how you'll speed up the process, increase your volume, and it's just a numbers game with marketing like this. It's just you got to talk to more people and you got to keep repeating things that are working. So
yeah. And so everybody out there listening can hear is another thing that helps is you do the little mastermind groups with the people you're working with, and you get a lot of golden tips and nuggets and everything out of there that really speed up the process rather than sort of learning on your own through a long period of time. You hear a lot of good stuff and you can take that on board, make some changes, and see immediate results. So,
absolutely. Yeah, we do those Friday mastermind calls for you guys just to share best practices, what's working. We even have insurance agents just hop on there. Like last Friday, we had one of our recruiting clients get on there, and she just shared her $1.80 cost per lead for a
Yeah,
financially qualified recruit. And I'm like, can you please just share your ads and what you're doing so that ways the other agents can see it? Because I
yeah,
think what it does, it creates a winning culture for you guys. It shows you guys it's possible, and it shows you how easy it is to just film a video and start doing that stuff. But
yeah.
um, that's
I
incredible,
will,
man.
I will be talking to you about the, recruiting funnel very soon. I wanted to get sort of my handle on this to where I was really smooth and operating through the annuity leads, but then we're going to jump right into the recruiting also so that I can just put those on my calendar and, scale also a
Absolutely.
lot faster.
That's the bread and butter right there. I think for me personally, I always enjoy recruiting. It's a little bit different of a ball game. It
Yeah,
involves more personal touch points, and I have you build a personal brand for that one, but there's tons of packed value on that one. I'm excited to bring you on board for that.
yeah.
Who would you say, real quick, because not everybody gets results with the annuities. I've noticed
Mhm.
that. Like some people just, they're not too good at closing big clients or big policies with the annuities. They just don't have like the sales background for it. Who would you say that this system is for, and who would you say it's not for?
Uh, I actually think anybody could use it and learn and do it. Now, how fast your results are, I can say the person that is going to have the most success is the one that takes it on as what they're doing. In other words, when I first started, I looked at this as, oh, I have leads, I can do this, I'm going to make big sales. And I realized really quickly I didn't really do, a whole lot with leads before. I was based on personal relationships with the people I was doing business with. So I sort of used that as a crutch. When I started doing leads, I immediately, had to change my mindset of, wait a minute, I really need to focus on what I'm doing and how I'm talking to people and everything because it's a little bit different. But I'd say it's for the people that really are willing to self improve or use some self improvement techniques on how you talk to people, connect with people, and earn trust. And lead from your heart, not your head. Because the ones that I'm doing business with, sometimes I didn't do, everything right, but I connected really well with them because I was open, honest, and, caring about what their situation was. And that connection led to us, doing business together. So anybody who has a huge heart, I think you do great doing this.
Man, that's a piece of wisdom for people right there. I love that. That's so good. When you lead from the heart, that's beautiful. I really do love that philosophy. That's huge. That's also what we do at Divine Reach. We don't move anybody forward if we truly don't believe we can help them. To be honest, not everybody that we've brought on board to our recruiting or our annuities gets a result. Some people just don't get results, and you can't help everybody, unfortunately. But we do our best to vet as well. And I personally, Bob, I believe in that philosophy so deeply.
Yep.
So that's
That's what I liked about you when I first talked to you.
yeah, that's awesome. Thank you for sharing that. How
Yeah.
many times I want to probe on the technicalities, like when you get a lead that comes in, walk us through like what you're doing when that lead comes in, like who's calling the lead, what are you guys saying on the phone, how do you guys book them in, when they show, what are you saying? Kind of walk us through that little, like a little bit behind the scenes if you don't mind.
Well, the techniques of it is when the phone call comes in, we have a lead, I get a notification. I usually wait about 5 minutes or so before I try to call them, unless I'm on an appointment. Just because there's a lot of times I'll start to call them and an appointment will pop up. They'll set an appointment without me even calling them. So I won't call them for about 5 minutes, then I'll call them. We have some automated messages go out through, the CRM. They basically keep them engaged, and then I call them periodically. Usually wait a couple days, call them back, and if nothing else, I've even left like a video messages on my phone and said, "Hi, just introducing myself, and I'm from, from that ad that you looked at, secure and guaranteed retirement." And I, go into when do they have for appointment, everything, if I get in touch with them. And usually you run into two types of people. I have some that say, I just want to do it on the phone, which I just basically go through, what you originally provided as the way to go through a script and everything and go through step by step. I took that, adapted it to my personal style, and I just go through that with each person on the phone. If they get on an appointment, I actually made a presentation that it's mostly information and value for them. We even call it with them, what's in it for me. And I basically go through that with them. And once that's done, then I have very few people that see the presentation that don't go through at least one appointment and get numbers and see what the plan is. A lot of them, and I won't take a guess, but I'll say there's probably another $2 million sitting there where somebody's not retiring for a year or 2 years down the road, and they're in the middle of paying off a house and doing things. But the way they talk to me, the friendship we develop, I wouldn't be surprised if when they get close to retirement, they're not calling me back without me even, chasing them down. So,
A very lucrative thing that I see you doing with that right there is if you ever decide to create like a PDF document or like a book or
mhm,
generate a free piece of value off of annuities, we can
mhm.
select every lead in that pipeline of yours that you've generated over the past couple months, and we send a mass SMS text with some copy on a drip sequence that just reactivates them. Oh, I remember I reached out to this individual. Okay, I remember that face. I remember talking to him. And so it reactivates them at scale. It rebooks them on your calendar at different time periods, and there's your book of business, right? You might get one or two more closes off of that. So we
That's
do have
right.
something like that we created for you guys that have generated some lead flow from the annuities now, and we can let it rip at any time. So definitely something
Okay.
to keep in mind for sure.
Yep. Well, yeah, I would love that.
100%. Well, you know what? This was a great call. I just wanted to keep it condensed with you today, Bob, and just get you on here. Super, super exciting stuff. I'm excited for where you're going to go with this. I'm just the marketing expert. You're the financial professional expert, and I have a good discernment when it comes to feeling that a client is really going to prosper with a system. And I just see that you've already been very consistent, and I just see a lot more coming in your way, especially with now that I know you're leading from your heart. I think that's very powerful. So I'm personally excited for what's to come with this. I'm always here to help you whenever you need anything, brother. And yeah, I'm just very grateful that you were on this appointment with us today. And any last words that you want to leave before we end this video out?
No, thank you for all you said. I appreciate the kind words, and I can tell you that I really enjoy working with you, and I think this was meant to be. I think I was led to you for a reason, and we're a great team. It's not just me sitting on an appointment, it's the whole system is what's doing it.
Appreciate that, Robert. Well, guys,
Okay.
what I'll do is I can leave Robert's Instagram handle down below. Go give him a follow. Go check him out. He's on Instagram and Facebook, and ask him questions. I'm sure he'd be happy to answer anything. But without that, we'll close out today and appreciate you being on the call today, Robert.
All right. Thank you, Dylan.